Hi, my name is Chef Syd Marshal, and this is chicken fettuccine Alfredo recipe with cream cheese. Fettuccine Alfredo is a classic Italian dish done with butter, heavy cream, and Parmesan cheese. We're going to incorporate some cream cheese into our sauce to make it richer. We'll start by melting a tablespoon of butter in our pan. We'll throw in just a pinch of garlic. Then we'll add our heavy cream. Once the cream is heated, we'll incorporate in 2 tablespoons of cream cheese. Once it's thoroughly melted into the sauce, add our cooked fettuccine noodles and toss until everything's completely heated. Then we can top it with our grilled chicken. And there you have it, chicken fettuccine Alfredo recipe with cream cheese.